Hey there, welcome to another Klasio tutorial video. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up tax rates in Klasio so you can charge the right tax to students in regions where it's required. Before we start, one quick note: Klasio calculates and records tax based on the rates you set up. It doesn't file or remit tax on your behalf. Registration and tax filing still stay your responsibility. So now, let's get started. From your admin dashboard, expand Settings and click Tax. This opens the tax rates page, where you'll see every country you've already configured, along with its tax name and rate. To add a new region, click Add Region in the top right corner. In the Add Region window, enter your tax rate as a percentage. You can also add a tax name. This is optional, and it shows up at checkout and on invoices. If you leave it blank, Klasio simply labels it tax. Next, use the Search Region field to find the country you want to add. Click the row to expand it and pick individual states, or check the box next to the country name to select all of them at once. This comes in handy when your tax obligation only applies to certain states rather than the whole country. The United States works this way since sales tax rates vary widely by state, from 0% in Oregon to over 7% in California. Once you've made your selections, click Apply. The button shows how many regions you're about to add, so you can double-check before confirming. Back on the tax rates page, your new region now appears in the list. Regions you've already added are locked from the Add Region window. To edit a rate or remove a region, use the three-dot menu next to that row instead. Now click Settings in the top right of the tax rates page to open Tax Settings. This is where you control how tax is priced and displayed. You can always jump back to the rates list from here using the Tax Rates button. First, tax rates and calculations must be on to activate the feature. While it's off, students are never charged tax, and both the rates and report pages stay hidden. Your checkout works exactly as it does today, and turning it on doesn't apply tax retroactively. It only affects new purchases going forward. Under Pricing Display, choose how your product prices relate to tax. You've got two options. Tax calculated and displayed on the checkout page keeps your listed price the same and adds tax as a separate line item at checkout. Prices inclusive of tax means your listed price already includes tax, so nothing gets added on top. Pick whichever matches the way you've priced your course and other products. This setting applies across your whole academy unless you override it per product. If you want specific products to use different tax settings, first turn on Enable Tax Configuration per Product here in Settings, under Tax, then hit Save Changes. This lets individual products override your Academy default. Then head to Products, open Course or Other Products, and go to Pricing. Under Tax Collection, you can exempt that product from tax entirely or choose a different pricing display option just for it. When tax has been calculated and displayed on the checkout page that is selected for a product, its product cards and detail pages show a small plus tax label next to the price. This way, students know that tax will be added at checkout. When prices inclusive of tax is selected, that label doesn't appear since the listed price already covers it. Next, go back to Tax Settings and fill in your seller tax details. Add your tax registration or VAT number and your establishment country. These show up on invoices and also help determine VAT reverse charge eligibility for qualifying transactions. Once everything looks right, click Save Changes. And that's it. Tax is now active for the regions you've configured. And this is how you can set up tax rates in Klasio. If you have any questions, you can comment on this video or reach out to us at support@klasio.com. We'll see you in the next one.